Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make stretch text effect in Canva. What you need to do. First you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the search bar just type the design you are looking for. For example, Instagram post. And then here create blank Instagram post. After that click text and then add a heading, and here you can type stretch. Okay, increase the size, and here change the font and scroll down. Okay, I can use this one. Then here increase the size. After that go to text again and add a heading, and here you can type text, and here let we have space, and here you can change the font, and after that go to elements and here shapes. Let's we take the square, and here make it smaller, and here okay, here the text, right click and layer, send to back, and duplicate, here and duplicate. After that, click share and download and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to make stretch text effect in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.